This should be a super quick add-on video to the Unit 3 APA video that covered the title page and the references. I just wanted to take a minute to talk specifically about the citations. Remember that you have to include citations, yes, whenever you directly quote the author, but also whenever you are using the author's ideas but putting them in your own words. You still need a citation. So, how to do a paraphrasing citation for the Unit 2 and Unit 3 reading, R2, in English 101. This semester, that reading is Students Returning to Campus Want the University Experience by Blakely Whiting and Thomas Bergeron. So these examples show you how to do citations for that source. The citation for a paraphrase should include the last name and the year. Because we have two authors, I included this note to join those both last names with an ampersand. You do not include a page or paragraph number for paraphrasing citations. So here is an example of an embedded parenthetical citation. This just means that all of the citation information is embedded in the parentheses. So this is the sentence, according to the author, blah, blah, blah. And the citation is Lee Whiting and Bergeron, comma, space, 2021, close parentheses, period. The period always goes after the closing parenthesis of the citation. Parenthesis. A narrative citation is very similar, except that the author's names become part of your sentence. You would say them out loud if you were reading the sentence. According to Lee Whiting and Bergeron, blah, blah, blah. So the only part of the citation that gets embedded in the parentheses in this example is the year, because we already had the names in our sentence. That's paraphrasing, when you are restating the author's ideas in your own words. If you're using a direct quote, exact words from the source, the citation is the same, except that you add the page or the paragraph number so that your audience can go back to the original source and look at where that quote came from. For this particular source, because it's a web article, you are not going to use the page number, you're going to be using paragraph number. So, your embedded and parenthetical citation, according to the author, blah, 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 except this time we're using the exact words, so we have to have quotation marks around the quote. And then our embedded citation includes the same information that we had the first time, but we've added now the paragraph number where we found that quote. We're using PARA period as an abbreviation for paragraph. The narrative citation, again, is very similar to the one that we did up here. According to Lee Whiting and Bergeron, 2021, blah, blah, blah. But we've added quotation marks because these are the direct words of the author, and we've added the paragraph number where we found the quote to the end of the sentence. The period still goes after the closing parenthesis in almost all of these examples. If you have any questions at all about citations, you can refer to the APA guide. There's also a resource called Citations Illustrated that's posted in your course on the course schedule in the APA resources in D2L, or you can ask your instructor, or you can visit the Writing Center. Good luck, and I hope this was helpful.